Hello. Welcome to another exciting unboxing. Today we are adding a new champion to our tech shelf, the Raspberry Pi 5 16GB, along with its official red and white case. Let's not waste any time. Let's dive in. Here's our package from Robo. Nicely packed and delivered on time. Let's open it slowly. I'm really excited to meet our little champion. And look at this. I've also ordered the Google Coral TPU USB Accelerator. This will be a powerful addition for AI and machine learning tasks. But for now, we will set it aside and focus on our star today, the Raspberry Pi 5. Now here it is, our tiny yet mighty champion, the Raspberry Pi 5. So small yet so powerful. It's our official Raspberry 5 case. This protects our board. Pi 5 comes with a Quad-core Cortex-A76 processor, a big leap in performance, supports PCIe connectivity, opening doors for faster storage and expansion options. We get two USB 3.0 ports for high-speed devices and two USB 2.0 ports for peripherals, a USB-C power input, making power delivery more efficient. And here we have two micro HDMI ports, allowing up to 4K display output. This slot right here is where we insert our microSD card, which acts as the main storage for the OS. Now we need to protect and cool our board properly. Let's move to the case. Looks absolutely beautiful in this classic red and white color. Here's something really cool. It comes with a built-in cooling fan. That means better heat management for high performance tasks. We also have a small packet inside. Let's see what's in it. 4 rubber bushes to provide a firm grip, a cooling pad to improve heat dissipation from the processor. Now let's assemble everything. First, we gently place the Raspberry Pi into the case. Each slot is designed to fit perfectly, so everything should align just right. Now, let us apply the cooling pad onto the processor. This helps transfer heat efficiently. Next, we will attach the 4 rubber bushes. For safety, we will remove the board for a moment and apply them carefully. We will little forward here. Time to connect the cooling fan. This is super important, especially if we plan to run intensive applications. The fan connects to this dedicated header on the board. Finally, gently close the case and press firmly but carefully to snap everything in place. And there we have it. Our Raspberry Pi 5 is fully assembled and ready for action. We have tons of exciting projects lined up for this beast, from AI experiments to home automation and more. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the world of Raspberry Pi together.